To create your account, please visit www.premier-education.com. When you get to our home screen, you'll see that there's a people icon in the top right hand side of your screen. On the next screen, if you look down, you're looking for Parents and Guardians Login Here. On the next page, you'll see that there's a Click Here button, which will ask you to register for a new account. Once you've clicked this, on the next page, all you need to do is fill in the details provided and then select Register at the bottom of the screen. Once you have logged into your account, you'll be able to view all of your account details by selecting the Account button at the top of the screen. To add your child to your account, select My Family, and on the next page on the right-hand side of the screen, click Add Child. This will take you to another screen which will ask you to input all of the information about your child. Ask for medical or dietary requirements to ensure that we are able to provide the best care for your child. If you do need to fill this in, please provide as much detail as possible. If you're not having to put anything in, please just put NA. The same will apply for special educational needs. Again, please provide as much detail as possible so we're able to provide the best care for your child. If you're not needing to put anything in this box, please just put NA. Once you have completed all of the information required, click Save at the bottom right-hand side of the screen. Through the Accounts tab at the top of the screen and then selecting My Family, you will then be able to see the children that you've added to your account. To add your childcare financial support scheme provider, select Edit underneath the child's name, scroll right down to the bottom and there will be a drop-down menu where you'll be able to scroll through and search for the provider needed. Some providers may ask for a reference number. Please fill this in so we can ensure that we can reconcile any payments that have been made through your account. Our home page, on the top right hand side of the screen, there's a purple button which says Book a Course. This will then take you onto a new screen where you're able to search for the school that you need. Your search will then take you onto a new page where you will find your school listed below. Please check the address of your school, as some of the schools we do work in have 2 sites. Below your listed school, you'll be able to view all of the events that we currently host at your school. Select the event you require. Your selection will now take you onto a new page where you'll be able to see all of the information about the events that we hold, including the start and end date of the course, the time slots available, the price, and the days of the week that we'll be running this event. As you scroll further down the page, you'll be able to see all of our forthcoming events that are bookable. When you have found the course that you want to book, select Choose Dates to take you on to the next screen. The next page will provide you with more in-depth information about the course that you have selected, including the dates, the days, the different time slots, and the age range that we accept on that course. To add your booking for this course, select Update Booking. You will then see your children listed on the next screen. You can select one or multiple children by selecting the grey slide bar, and when this turns purple, they are the ones that you are going to book on the course. Click Dates at the bottom of your screen. The next screen will provide you with all of the available dates to book. If you require all of the available dates, you can simply click this at the top of the screen to add these to your bookings. The same goes for removing these if this has been done in error. If you do not require all of the available dates, you can select certain dates by scrolling down and selecting the dates that you require on the calendar below. Once you have selected the dates that you require, click Times on the bottom of your screen. If you require the same time for all of the dates selected, you can do this from the drop-down menu on the All tab at the top of the table on the screen. As you begin selecting your times, you'll see this is updating in the summary box on the right-hand side of the screen. If you require different times on different days, you can do this by finding the date you need, selecting the drop-down menu and select the time that you require. Once you have selected the dates and the times that you need, click Summary on the bottom of your screen. This will then provide you with an overview of all the dates you've selected for each child and the cost per session. Once you are happy with the information, click Proceed to take you to the next page. This will then provide you with one final summary of your booking with a total cost and the option to add our Flexi booking option. By scrolling further down the screen, you'll be able to select a payment method for each child you have booked onto the event. You'll be able to select to pay by card or to pay by your childcare financial support scheme provider. Once you have selected your payment method, click Continue on the right-hand side of the screen to move on to our payment screen.